Hey guys, this is 4 feet. Now let's teach you how to design your sock. Okay, so by now you have probably downloaded I'll tell you to download the template, the sock template that's in the link below in the description. So make sure you download that. It's on Dropbox. So that's our template that we use. So that it's in the right dimension. So this is for I think it was for a 11 centimeter wide jig. So adjust the size of these templates to your jig, the jig that you use. So let's get started. So this is the template. You want to add the design that you want. I'm going to add the bubble tee design. That's what we're going to do today. So add any PNG file or design that you want to be on the sock basically, and start designing. Okay guys, so I finished my design. This is pretty much it. So I like it. I like the scatter effect. But whatever your design is, make sure that it fits into the size of your sock, obviously, and the jig. But make sure that everything just fits. That's the important thing. Make sure you measure the size of your sock so that the design actually is able to print on your sock. But any design that you do, basically when you sublimate anything on a surface, it's gonna be mirrored. So in order to avoid, especially if you got text or any images that need to be in the right kind of perspective, you want to make sure that you flip the design. So basically, for example, if I need this bubble tee to look like that on the sock, I'm gonna need to edit, transform, and then flip horizontal. Make sure that you do that before you print anything, especially if you got text. So make sure that you do that. But right now I don't need to do that. Regardless, it's gonna look good anyway. But so I'm done with this design. I'm gonna save as. Oh, and also there's a texture here on the template. If you don't like the texture, you can always make it invisible. Take it away. There you got a solid color at the back that you can adjust. So the gray here, you can change it to yellow, red. Just play around with it and do whatever you want. Yeah, just do anything with the template. Do whatever you want. But I'm gonna leave the texture in because I feel like it works well. And save as, and save it in whatever file you want. I'm gonna save it here. They call it bubble tee. Oh, spells it wrong. Bubble tee, and I'm going to save it as a PDF. So I choose to print from PDF because it has more advanced printing options. It just feels better for me. It's easier. But do whatever you want. Just print it on, save it as a PDF. And make sure that you click this box which says color. So the color option is going to be obviously CMYK, which is always the best choice for any printing material. Anything that you print, you should save as a CMYK. So do that and save PDF. Then it will process. And basically open the file where that PDF is located. It's 4 feet. Where is it? Sock designs, customs. There you go. And then the bubble tee file is going to be there. So open the PDF. It's going to be in CMYK and print. And there's going to be a lot of printing options. By default, it's going to be A4, but make sure you change that. Go to properties, and I've got some presets. but just so we can kind of go through it. I'm going to click A3 because my sublimation paper is in A3 and that's what we use, but just adjust and customize the option so that it fits your needs. But for now I'm going to do A3, plain paper, and I'm going to go quality high. Yep, and that's all you need to do really. Okay, and you can see a preview here. It's all nice, it's in there. So then after that, all you need to do is print, and then you go through the sublimation process. I'm going to be creating more videos about the whole sublimation process. This is just the design phase, but please keep updated. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will be uploading more about the whole process. So thanks for watching.